Yes, friends, after completion of the poem, unit 3rd 3.1 if, now we are going to solve the English workshop from the poem 3.1. Yes, open your books on page number 88. Yes, read the following bits of advice and state whether you agree or disagree with them. Friends, now you have to keep open your books and take the pencil in your hand so that it will be easier for you people to get solved the exercise live. Yes, first advice, get angry when others commit mistake. Are you agree or disagree? Now you have to choose. Then for the balanced personality, you should tick it into the column of agree. Yeah, give tick mark to agree because we have to put the tick. Second, keep friendship with all classes of people. Yes, again, it is a good thing. So we are agree with this. Third, run away from troubles. Is it good to run away from the problems? No. So we are disagree with this statement. So put the mark in disagree. Fourth one, hate the rich people and help the poor. Word and is used. Though part of the sentence is very good, but the part of the sentence is not good. So we should definitely help the poor, but at the same time we must not hate the other people, though they are rich. So hate the rich people and help the poor, we are disagree. Next, get angry when others blame on us. Definitely not. So we are disagree here again. And the last one, reconstruct something we have built with care, even if it has been broken by others. Yes, the last line or the last suggestion given in the second stanza. Yes, reconstruct. We must reconstruct something we have built with care, even if it is destroyed by the other. So we are strongly agree with the sentence. Now, page number 2. Page number 89, question number 2. Pick out and enlist positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective columns. One is done for you. First is, keep your head is the positive quality. At the same time, negative quality is, lose your head. Extreme contrast are mentioned here. That is the speciality of the poet. Next is, you have to find at least 3. So I have picked out the 3 qualities here for you, and you can write it in your notebook. Then, positive quality, treat all people equally, is a positive character. So what is the negative quality then? Make difference among the people. If you make difference among the people, then it is a negative quality. Next is, walk with the king. Is a good quality. Definitely. You should have good companions. You should be in a good company of the strong people, good people. So the king stand is capital. While explaining the stanza of the poem, I explained why king word is used by the poet. Now there are no kings and no queens. But even then the word king is applied. This king stand for the strong and powerful people, decision making people in the society. So walk with the king. Definitely you should have the company of the strong people in your life. It is a positive thing. But at the same time, don't lose common touch. If you lose the common touch, then it will be your negative quality. If you have good friends, powerful friends, if you are having touch or walk with the king, and if you lose common touch, then you will not be successful. That is the advice given by the poet R. Kipling to his son. An advice given by a father to his son. Yes, so walk with the king is a positive quality, while lose common touch is the negative one. And the third one is, make good use of every second of time. Definitely we must give value to the time, because मैं समय हूँ. Yes, The time is the strongest thing in the universe. So, it is a positive quality that make a good use of every second of time or the time, and don't give importance to time is the negative quality. If you don't give time, time will not give value to you. So, these are the positive and negative qualities from the poem, and we have written it in the different columns. Now, third question. Why do the lines in the poem begin with "if you can"? Yes, friends, open your books. You will find on page number 87 that if you can keep your head when all about you is the opening line. While explaining the first stanza, I have told you that if you can is the group of words which is used repeatedly in the poem. And I have told you, this is the speciality of the poet. And this structural speciality which is used by the poet in the poem is called as anaphora. And the question is, why do the lines in the poem begins with "if you can"? At the same time, I am explaining that "if" is a conditional clause. So, in the poem, the poet is insisting, giving emphasis on the particular advice. At the same time, he wants that this advice must be followed by his son. So, there is a stress in his ideas. There is emphasis on the first part of the sentence, and at the same time, he strongly wants that his son must follow the advice. So, giving advice and follow the advice, these two things are there. And here, while writing the answer of this, why do the lines of the poem begins with "if you can"? Most important thing that it is the poetry. So, this repetition causes the musical impact in the poetry. This is the reason. And also, the thing that I just explained, that poet want to emphasize the importance of good advice. At the same time, he wants that his son must follow the advice. That means his son must pay attention to the advice. Father gives the series of advice. At the same time, he wants that his son must pay attention to the advice. So, if you can, this is the group of words I think that the poet has used in the poem. Then fourth one, look at the use of opposite reactions of the poem. For example, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. These are the two strong opposite ideas, and they are put in a sentence. Poet says, find other such positive reactions from the poem and note them in your notebook. What are those? One such is about lied. And yes, if you are being lied about, don't deal in lies. Means you are lied about, and strictly opposite is don't deal in lies. This is the first. Second is hatred and hated. Yes, I think in the line below it, in the first stanza, last bottom line, being hated, don't give way to hating. Again, being hated and opposite is don't give way to hating. This is the opposite idea. And the most important is when you trust yourself, when all men doubt you, all these actions, all these things tells us the opposite reactions from the poem. That is the answer. Now fifth one, say what? Fill in the blanks. are the two impostors. Which are the two impostors in the poem? I will explain what is the meaning of impostors. 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 That means Bhondu, or what I have told you, impostors, yes, Dambik, who deceives others by pretending to be something else, someone else.